Morning guys, we are back here at the Glacier Gorge at Mills Lake for sunrise. Today we're gonna be doing the final two lakes for us in the Glacier Gorge. We're gonna hit up Solitude and Shelf Lake. It's supposed to be about a 7 to 9 mile round trip hike with 2,600 feet of elevation gain, somewhere around there. It's supposed to be really steep going up from the creek up to Shelf and Solitude Lake, but definitely looking forward to today's hike. It's very, very wet and humid out. The park got a lot of rain the other night, it looks like, which is really good for the current Cameron Peak forest fire that's right around the corner. And looks like it's clearing up a little bit here at Mills Lake. It's a lot more clear than it was the last time we were here anyways. We're gonna take some photos here and see y'all on the trail in a little bit. All right, so we just passed the campsite marker here in the Glacier Gorge. What we are going to be looking for now, I think we got like 0.2, 0.3 miles, half a mile to go. We got to kind of stay close to the creek, and from what I've read, we're going to be looking for 2 big logs, or is it a big rock? Something big. Oh. Yeah, so some big logs, big rocks will lead the way to Shelf and Solitude Lake. All right, we are getting close to the point where we got to start looking for the turn off to Solitude and Shelf Lake. There's not going to be a sign or any type of maintained trail, so it's very easy to miss. All right, as you can see here, we've got 2 big logs. I think this is the way that we go. We'll find out. We're gonna give it a shot. There's definitely separation in the bushes over here, so I think we are on the right track. So right over here, it looks like it's it's easier to cross, but we're gonna kind of down climb here and then go up this rock, or maybe just jump across right down there if this rock's not too slippery. All right, we are across the creek now, so this is where the route finding begins. This is the fun part. Woo! So far, it's very steep. I think it's we got about 1,000 feet of elevation gain till we get to the lake, but there's been no major bushwhacking as of yet. Just passing our first cairn, which doesn't necessarily mean a lot, but it does look like this one's actually pretty well placed. it's really not a horrible marked trail. It's moderate trail to follow. You definitely still need some route finding skills, but holy steepness. It's very, very steep. Guys, look at these views. I mean, this just ain't gorgeous. This is Glacier gorgeous. I'm not gonna look at my map, but I feel like we're getting close. All right, guys, we are getting close, and I can already tell this is gonna be some of the best views in the Glacier Gorge. I know I say that about every lake, but I think this is the real deal. Come on, let's go check it out. Guys, this lake is so cool. There's like a waterfall coming from, small little cascade coming from Solitude Lake. And we got a nice creek here we got to cross. Man, it's freaking amazing out here. I wanted to get out of the wind a little bit before I started talking. We are above Shelf Lake right now, making our way to Solitude Lake. It's pretty windy out, but this little cascade here, man, I would love to see this when it first starts melting and really roaring. It's kind of puny right now, but still very awesome looking. But we're gonna go try and find some solitude right now. But we're almost there. I don't think it's too far from Shelf Lake. All right, guys, it's an awesome lake here at Solitude. Lots of solitude here. Nobody's here, haven't seen anyone. That's pretty much to be expected if you make the hike out here. But it's been raining on and off, and it's only like 8:30, 9 a.m. Weather's kind of crappy today, not much visibility, very windy up here. I just got behind a rock to where I could talk, but we're gonna head back down. I'm gonna put the camera gear away for a little bit because it's starting to rain pretty hard. Look at this little gem of a waterfall cascade. Pretty awesome. We're a little lost right now heading back, but we'll be back on trail soon. As long as we keep going down, we'll make it. But yeah, this is awesome. All right, guys, we are done. We are back here at the Glacier Gorge trailhead. We had 9.3 miles round trip. Not sure about the elevation gain. The All Trails app is always wrong. Yeah, it's saying 4,700 feet. That's not right. But we're here at the Glacier Gorge trailhead. It is 12 p.m. and there are about 3 empty parking spots. That usually doesn't happen on the weekend, but it's very crappy weather. But we're gonna meet up with my mom, and we are planning on doing Emerald Lake today, but we'll see if they still want to do it, being that the weather's so crappy. So until the next hike, y'all, catch y'all around.